Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy hotel room. Work has me on the road this week, so I figured I would fire off a quick video. We're going to do something a little different. I'm not all about doing unboxing of technology, but Prime Day discounts and Best Buy's price matching guarantee has brought me to one of these. I'm hoping it will improve some of my outdoor shots and make a little bit more interesting videos for you guys to watch. Follow along while we unbox this thing and see if we can find anything surprising. So what we have here today is the DJI Mavic Mini. You can see here, 249 gram ultralight. DJI primarily brought this product out to stay below the 250 gram limit. If you go above the 250 gram limit, you have to register your drone and fly with an FAA license. In the United States, I believe the limits are similar in Canada as well. By staying below 250 grams, it makes flying this drone much simpler. Obviously, there's still going to be some safety considerations involved, but the smaller drone has less chance of injuring someone or damaging property. Let's crack this open. First of all, I've got to cut the plastic off, and that's going to take two hands. I'll have to put the camera down. I'll bring you back when I get the plastic wrapping off. Okay, we got the wrapping off, and I broke the security seal on the box. You'll notice that this this side of the box just shows us the drone and the remote, but the other side shows us what we actually get in the box. This is the Fly More bundle, and it comes with the propeller guards, 2 extra batteries, charging base, and the case. So let's crack this open and see what everything looks like. The case, it's a nice fabric cover, handle. By the weight of it, I'm going to guess that the drone is actually in the case. That feels to me like it doesn't weigh very much. There are the prop guards. That would be instruction manuals by the looks of it. Something tells me I'm going to need a magnifying glass to read those. Adapter for charging. And I'm going to guess by that little indication on there, we have 3 battery packs. Battery appears to be probably 2 18650 cells, and I'm guessing there's some sort of BMS board included. And that appears to be it for the big box. Here we are. We've got our remote, these arms fold out and phone attaches in there. There are sticks stored under the covers that go in for flying, and there's our Wi-Fi antennas. There we go, a little better contrast. Here we have a 3 battery charge unit. In the standard drone, you have to charge the battery inside of the drone itself. With this Fly More package, you have the capability of charging up to 3 batteries offline. outside of the drone. These are spare set of propellers. Cables. These are cell phone cables. There's 3 different flavors of them for attaching between the remote control and the cell phone. That appears to be the main charge cable. Screwdriver for attaching the propellers, and another charge cable. I'm going to put the camera down for a minute and take the wrapping off of these items so that you can actually see them. Need 2 hands to do that. Okay, I've got things basically unpackaged here. We've got 2 USB charge cables. However, we only have 1 USB charge adapter. I happen to have some of those kicking around, so it's not a big deal. The purpose of having 2 cords is that both the transmitter uses a micro USB, as does the unit. Amazing. This thing is so light, it feels like next to nothing. I have not pulled off the shipping straps yet, so let's do that. If I can do this one-handed. That's not supposed to come off yet. Cover for the gimbal. We have our charge port, which is here. We have a micro USB port, and we have our battery door. Now, unfortunately, they don't specify in the package that it doesn't have any internal memory. I've figured that out since, and I don't have a micro USB card yet to put in there. I will be picking one of those up tomorrow, and we will be able to do some test flying with it. I have the DJI Fly app that I downloaded from the App Store. Cable with a lightning connector, plugs into the end of the phone, and this will eventually get plugged into the micro USB plug on the end of the unit. However, one problem that I ran into was that I had to remove my case, protective case, from the phone, as the protective case, even though it's a fairly thin one, would not fit into the holders. So ideally we do this 2 hands. Unfortunately, I don't have a tripod with me, so bear with me while I do this one-handed. Front arms. Oops, might help if I had that in frame. Back arms. Cute little camera drone. Catch thumbnail under the lip to lift that open. We will slide one of the batteries in. Hard to see in this light. There are connections along that lip. And now we could conceivably power this up. Power button is over here. And you can see that the battery is not really fully charged. Okay, powered up, and it's telling us that the battery is only 3/4 of the way full. Hopefully this doesn't slice my fingers off. Okay, here we are, ready to try connecting the remote to the drone. One thing that you have to do before you can reliably make the connection is you have to charge the batteries up. All three of the batteries for the drone here were pretty well flat. Charged the one that's in it now fully, and the other two, using the charge system that came with this Fly More package, are on charge. We have the remote with my phone attached via cable, and the trick to turn this on is you give it one quick press and then hold it. It comes on. Likewise, flip over the drone, quick press and then hold. See the motors twitch. Now we say on the screen, connect aircraft. And standard terms. Oh man, it just goes on and on and on forever. I'm not a EU user, and I am not in Australia, so anyways, you get the idea. We agree. Okay, we have done the binding. Unfortunately, I had to give it a try before I could record it. So in order to do that, you do the connection screen, and when you say that it can't connect, it gives you instructions on how to do it. Press and hold the power button on the bottom of the unit, and it starts beeping, and then it goes through and pairs to the phone transmitter. Fairly straightforward. So now we can activate. Aircraft is activated. Okay, so FlySafe requires an update. So it will download the update, and I expect that we're going to end up having to download updates for the transmitter and also for the... Well, despite my best efforts, work and bad weather kind of got in the way. Here we are a couple of weeks after the first part of this video was shot, and I hadn't had a chance to get the drone in the sky. This is a quick little flight montage that I did. Shows off some late fall scenery in northwestern Ontario. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And for more great content from Doug's Messy Garage, select the video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching.